So what we're gonna do is this. So every day at the end of class, what I'm gonna do is like 5-10 minutes before the end of class, I'm gonna go ahead and broadcast a message to let everybody know that you should fill out the weekly check-in. You can find the weekly check-in. It'll be linked on the daily agenda, but it'll also be linked in the module. So if you click right here, notice, so we've got week 2 daily check-in. That one's it's due December 11th, which is today. You click that right here, and this is what you're going to see. You'll notice that basically it's like every other assignment that we've turned in so far this year, except this time for your comment, I've actually given you a template to fill out. So what you're going to do, screenshot your progress, whatever it is. Like, I just want a screenshot. That's all I want. If you're working in a video editor, just screenshot the video that you've got so far, right? Just the, kind of the edits and all the edits you made and stuff like that. If you are, if it's kind of at the beginning of the unit here, so maybe what your plan said to do was to do research and like watch tutorials, all you need to really do is just click right here and then click history, and you'll see it over on the side here. If you show your history, what you'll do, you can actually just screenshot your search history up until right now that you did during class, right? So, and then screenshot that and then turn that into this assignment. Then what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste what's between these two lines here. So all this is just a quick reflection template for you to kind of reflect, are you on track, or do you need to spend extra time and things like that to turn it in? So if you go past the rubric, which this is what I'm looking for in your comment, by the way. So if you submit assignment, if you grab your screenshot, and I'm just going to screenshot real quick. Where's a screenshot that I should use? This is the screenshot from my that I sent to my sister that her packages got delivered. Anyway, so add your screenshot for your project, not your FedEx deliveries. But what you're going to do is screenshot that, and then you're just going to say, like, are you ahead of schedule, on track, or behind schedule? So if you're on track or whatever it is, you just kind of delete everything else in that line. And then one of the most important or interesting things that you've learned so far, or learned or made. So if you're making something and you're really kind of proud of something, like you could type like, I'm really proud of ... whatever it is, right? Or like, it's really interesting how you can do this, or this is really cool, I did that part, right? Just a quick brief thing. I'm not asking for a huge diatribe. And then the next, what I'm actually curious about is, will you finish on time? If so, why do you think that? If you're behind, what do you need to adjust? I said, what do you need to adjust for your final goal? Like, if you actually need to adjust your final goal, that's fine. That kind of thing happens in projects, right? If you need to, if you need to adjust to be able to, like, if you really want to make your final product, you need to add more times that you're actually working on it. So you could say, like, I need to add work on my project next Wednesday to add ... right? Or whatever it is you need to do. If you need to add time, or if you need to adjust your final goal, that's fine. That's all you need to do, is do that, and then submit that. And like every project that we work on, yay, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a screenshot that accurately shows your progress, right? I'm not looking for, like, if you're accurately on track or ahead. It accurately shows what you've actually worked on so far, right? You could do a screenshot or two. You don't need to turn in like 6 screenshots, okay? A 3 is you screenshot of your progress, right? And 2, your screenshot doesn't really reflect your progress, okay? So what somebody asked real quick in the chat, screenshot what? So if you're working on a 3D project, screenshot, you could screenshot the sketch that you were planning out, right? You could, or planning out your project, you could screenshot one of the things that you created. That would be fine. Or maybe multiple things that you've created. You can also, remember, you can organize your windows, so that, you can show multiple things on the page in the screenshot. You could also, like if you're working in Tinkercad, you could screenshot your, like that list of things that you've created, like it kind of shows like a brief screenshot on each one. If you're creating multiple files that you're going to, eventually put together, you could screenshot that page. Okay. So, and remember, a screenshot is just on your Chromebook is Control and then the window switcher key. It's above the 6. And then your comment, I'm looking for it to tell your progress, which, all you have to do is really delete all the other ones, right? And then tells one interesting thing you've learned so far, or one interesting thing you've made, and tells why you will achieve your goal or how you need to adjust. Okay. Yeah, so that's all you need to do. All right. What I'm going to do next, and like I'm going to do with every class, is I'm going to ask you to rename yourself, keep your first name and your last name, and then after that, please put the project that you're working on, and I'll sort you into breakout rooms. And then if you need help, I'm here to help you. Okay, and also you're in the breakout room so that you can help each other. With that said, I'm going to stop the